a breed that has been developed for hundreds of years to be the world's greatest sheepdog, bar none. In order to select or breed good sheepdogs, it comes from a long line of breeding. Over hundreds of years, the dog has been selectively bred for its biddability, its desire to work sheep, and the thoughtfulness. That is the #1 key of a good sheepdog. And what we mean by thoughtfulness is that the dog is very careful about the job that they're trying to do. And so we tend to breed a very thoughtful dog to another thoughtful dog, and hopefully you get a thoughtful dog. It's a selection of a mindset as opposed to a selection of an appearance. And so sometimes the dogs aren't the prettiest, frankly, but they might be a super intellect and super keen on sheep and want to work really hard, that those dogs get bred to produce a better dog, hopefully. It takes about 2.5 years to train a good dog to be a sheepdog. You have to start when they're about 10 months of age, because the dog has to be big enough, strong enough, and fast enough to get around sheep, because otherwise they'll get trampled or they'll just chase and they won't understand it. But you use the dog's natural instinct. When you have a keen little border collie who really wants to work the sheep, the dog will naturally go out and see sheep and will go surprise, and will start going around and around the sheep. Come on. Walk up. Lie down. This is a shepherd's whistle. All of those same verbal commands are translated to the whistle when the dogs are far away from us. To go to the right, to go to the left, to ask the dog to go forward onto the sheep, walk up. And those basic commands tell the dog which direction to move the sheep as the handler or the shepherd directs. And the dogs actually learn it by osmosis, because as they're doing the action, they hear the command, so then they go, oh yeah, I'm going this way, she says go there. Easy.